Good morning, fam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to install your surveillance camera, which is your CCTV camera. But today we are going to do NVR. Last video we did DVR, yes, which was our digital. So our DVR will connect to our AHD port, but this one we need to use our network internet cable to connect this. So I want to just show you the camera. The same camera, yes, this is the same camera we have put on the wall. So this camera, the video format is H.265 video format, so it picks people very well. So this is the camera. This is the camera, and this is the network interface port. Network interface port, which is a NIC port. So I'll be showing people on how to drill this camera on the wall and how to connect your NIC port to this camera and to the PO. After that, we're going to do PO switch configuration. How to connect a PO switch to the how to connect a PO switch to the NVRO. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the NVRO camera. So I'm going to show you how to drill this camera on the wall and how to mount it. After doing that, showing you how to connect the cable to the POS switch. So this is the camera. This is the camera. We have two ports here. Now this is a port for the NIC. This is the NIC port. This one is going to be connected to the POS switch. While this is the power port. This camera needs to be powered by. It needs to be powered. It's not like the other one that has just the port. So if you are connecting this port, the camera is not going to be powered and it's not going to function. You might think it's the cable that is having the fault, which is not the cable. So the two cable needs to be connected simultaneously. So the first step was to mark the wall where the ball is going to pass. So I want to mark. I don't have a ball marker to do that. So I'm marking all the four ends. Yeah, so now I need to drill now the wall. Cut. So start drilling. We need now to put our shoes in. We need to put this inside. Put a nail with the hammer. Now before doing that, let's screw the camera to the able. So just screw this. Okay, go. Correct, run, go on the camera. Good one. Good. So now I'm scrolling the camera to the wall. The last scroll. Okay, that is it. Make sure you tie it firmly. The wall. Yes, to the wall because you are so injured. In case in this situation. Now, we want to face it towards the frontal part. So we need to do some adjustment here. This cameraman. We need to do some adjustment here. So I'm taking it one. Second. So much good job, buddy. So some untiring it now. Yeah. The thing is okay like this. This is a bomb. Now ties and ties and so that is how we can. Now we're going to put a box here at the center where these two cameras are going to enter inside the cable for security. Then we'll do the connection. So stay tuned. So that is it.
The opening there.
Connect and so this is a POE switch. This is 16 ways. Port 1, port 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now this is a LAN cable that is going to be linked to the NVRO. Now let's see the access switch. We have just the power cable. So we're going to connect the power cable to the POE switch. Nothing is here. Yeah, after this we're going to link all the cameras here. So this is the NVRO. This is the NVRO. We have some ports here. This is the LAN port which is going to be connected to the POE switch. We have the VGA port to link it to the TV or HDMI port. Then we have the USB port. You can use external USB here, or you can use your mouse. I think you get the mouse inside. This is a mouse and the adapter. So take and connect the adapter. Yeah,
So we need to include camera 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All those cameras so they are offline, so we need to put them online. So let's check IP settings. The channel include all channels. Yeah. Flash time thing. NVA settings. Channel. Yes, so we are done with the installation. So let's see. Let us see the cameras. We installed 10 cameras. So we have 10 cameras installed. You go to your view layout and you select the numbers of views, the numbers of ways, which is 16. Now the TV is too small, that is why you cannot see this other side, this other direction, you cannot see it. So we have camera 1. This is camera 1, takes the frontage. Let's also view camera 2. In fact, there are many of them, we cannot view everything. You see this, you see the movement from the frontal, from the frontage. See, this is the backyard. This is the backyard. So let's check another place. This is also the backyard. So that is it. The next video I'm going to drop is going to be on how to configure your time. Yes, then you check if it's working. Now you can see same on the next video. We are going to put motion detection. Yes, because motion detection, now all those cameras are recording, but if you place your motion detection now in this scenario, in this camera, there's no motion detection there and it's recording. Now the advantages of motion detection is that if something is happening in this camera, right, it starts recording at that same spot. But if you don't put your motion detection, it's going to record like that. So maybe your hard disk is going to be full within a shorter period of time. So you need to enable your motion detection. I'm going to show you how to enable your motion detection. So that is going to be on the next video. After that, I'm going to show you on how to mesh this system to your mobile phone. We are going to do that, to measure system to your mobile phone, so that if you are not around, you can manipulate this on your mobile phone. After that, we are going to see some configurations on how to configure the post, the NVRO to the internet, so that you can access it if you still the post on the NVRO. So all those things are going to be on my next slide. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, and comment. Please recommend this video. It's more important. Thank you very much.